Culinary therapy is for anyone, no matter what their age, background, or culture. It is not just for the people who are struggling with their mental health. It's for anyone who is looking to connect to themselves more deeply, to discover more about themselves so they can improve the overall quality of their life.
Culinary therapy is so good for those lacking motivation, self-esteem, self-confidence, because what it does is it gives you this sense of purpose. When you've got a sense of purpose in an activity like cooking, you feel that achievement that you've really obtained your goal, and that in itself is a great way to cope with mental health challenges.
It was so relaxed, everyone could be themselves, you could be yourself, and I felt at ease with everyone around.
Well, surprisingly, what I enjoyed most about the culinary therapy was the connections I made with the other people that were in the course with me. I wasn't expecting that, and I thought that was a really nice part of it.
And what culinary therapy does is brings us into the present moment, where we're using our senses, our sense of touch, smell, taste, to bring us right here, right now, and we can carry that forward, that skill, to other areas of our life.
We have a lot of people who want to improve their relationships with others too, like family, parents and children's partners, colleagues and friends. One of the biggest benefits of the culinary therapy is that you cultivate healthy mind habits whilst creating healthy body habits. What I mean by that is, with the culinary therapy, we learn how to nourish the body by making healthy recipes. But with the mindfulness practices, we learn how to manage the stress, anxiety, depressions, and all kinds of the other mental health challenges at the same time.
I always say that mindfulness is something that you can implement into everyday life. You don't need extra time to do it. It can be done with things like cooking, so culinary therapy is a great example of how we can improve our mental and emotional well-being in everyday activities.
It improves so many aspects of your life, your social health, because you connect with others. At the same time as enhancing self-awareness, creativity, and resilience.